how to enable Internet Explorer mode in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to turn on IE mode for websites that require it in just a few steps. First, open the Microsoft Edge browser on your Windows 11 PC. After that, click on the three dots at the top right of the screen to open the menu. Let me show you what to do next. From there, click on Settings. At this point, click on Default Browser on the left side menu to open the browser compatibility settings. In the next step, look for the Allow Sites to be Reloaded in Internet Explorer mode option and click on the drop-down next to it. From there, select Allow from the drop-down to enable Internet Explorer mode in Edge. At this stage, click on Restart to relaunch Edge and apply the changes. Let me show you what to do next. Following this, once Edge restarts, go to the website you want to open in IE mode. Once done, click on the three dots at the top and look for Reload in Internet Explorer mode. Click on it. From there, the page will reload in Internet Explorer mode, and you'll see a small Internet Explorer icon appear in the address bar, confirming it's active. At this stage, if you want a specific website to always open in IE mode automatically, go back to Settings and click on Default Browser. Following this, scroll down to the Internet Explorer mode Pages section and click on Add. Let me show you. Type in the website URL and click on Add to save it. Finally, keep in mind that Microsoft has set an end date for Internet Explorer mode support. Make sure to check for Edge updates regularly, as IE mode settings may change in future versions. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable Internet Explorer mode in Edge, give it a like